Another type of question within the language section of the SAT is writing from bulleted notes. There are normally 3 to 4 of these questions, and they are always at the end of the module. They will always begin with the same instructions. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes, and then you will be asked to do something very specific. For example, you might be asked to compare two aspects or items of the situation. You may be asked to provide an explanation of something. You may be asked to emphasize a specific characteristic or item, or you may be asked to present a finding. I will walk you through the steps that you have to take to answer these questions correctly. Okay, so the first step is to read the notes carefully. You don't have to highlight or write anything, just read them carefully. Then you're going to read the instructions carefully and look for the key word. Then you're going to read the question and highlight the part that tells you exactly what you need to do. Some of the key words that commonly appear are introduce, compare, emphasize, present, describe, or explain. That's the part that you will highlight. Next, you're going to go back to the bulleted points and you're going to highlight those specific details that were mentioned in the question. For example, if you were asked to emphasize the aim and duration of a study, you might want to highlight the part that says to determine if the soil composition affected the number of crops. That would be the aim. And the study lasted for 2 years. That would be the duration. So those are the 2 parts of the notes that you would highlight. And that's it. Don't highlight anything else. Those are the 2 requirements that need to be in the answer. The rest is extra information that could be in the answer, but is not required. And the last part is to read your answer choices and scan for the one that contains the information you highlighted. In the example I gave, there were 2 elements of the answer, the aim of the study and the duration. The answer would have to contain both elements, but sometimes they only ask for one thing. It can have additional information, that's okay, but the required information must be in the answer. And that's it, you're done.